Hello, we're here at Kentucky Rogers with my grandchild, very handsome Johan, and Dayan, conferring with her husband about food to eat. And this is again, Kada Lisa. O kahit ano, ito na lang. Tapos tigdignan tayo ng kukulang. Kasi good for 4 lang yan eh, ayun o. 4 for rice.
Ito, may ribs pa.
Wala nga, hindi available ito. Ito lang ang available. Ito lang ang available yan.
Ay, so hindi available.
Roasted chicken lang ang available. Wala kasi yung iba. So, yan.
Kanya muna si
Johan. Oy, beautiful Johan. Wow. Oh, you eat na. Oh, you like carrots.
Ang ganda ng Johan.
Oh, pareho kami ng relos. Oh, we have both black.
Ang ganda ng watch. Ano yun?
Watch.
Regalo ni Jen sa kanya.
Yan.
Ni Jen, ng birthday niya. Wow.
And they're eating soup
Bless
while
na, bless.
waiting.
Bless ka, men. Bless.
Hindi abot, malayo.
Hindi abot, gaganon yun sa to. Bless ka kay men. Bless muna, bless.
Hindi nga abot ni.
Hindi kasi gumaganon lang yan, oh.